Well, today I'm gonna go meet up with some old friends and some new people that I met on the Discord server, so yeah. Just did a few rounds with my friend Norbert and my friend Olden, who just left. And yeah, I've been flying with these plane guys too. So yeah, I guess we're gonna go to the next spot. Should have brought better shoes for this occasion. Oh yeah, just made it to the top of this hill and we're all a bit out of breath, so yeah, let's go fly. Well, heading back with Norbert right now, and yeah, that was a pretty interesting flight. Got to do some chase footage, and also got to crash a few times. And yeah, had a minute collision with this dude. So yeah, I guess that's it. Till next time. It's a coyote. It's a pretty cute one too.